Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how can you manage 301 redirection in your WordPress site. Okay, so I will show you such plugin from where you can manage your redirections. You can get data about your 404 paths, okay, and much more than that. So let's get started. Here I have a default WordPress installations. There is nothing included here currently right now. So first of all I will add a plugin. It's called redirection. Okay, let's see. This one is by John Godley. It's more than 2+ million active installations. I will click on install now. I will activate the plugin. So here the plugin is already installed. I will go to the settings area, or let's say where I can find this tools. No, here it is. It's under tools, redirection. So how can you use this plugin? This is very simple plugin. Here you can see there is a source URL. That is the original or old URL, and there is the target URL or the new URL. Okay, also you can monitor 404 errors. You can import configurations from htaccess, redirection configuration from htaccess CSV, and variety of other plugins. Okay, also you can match the path by regular expressions and other conditions. Okay, so I will start setup here. So basic setup is monitor permalink changes in WordPress post and pages. It will check for the permalink. If you, let's say there is a source URL or destination URL, permalink is changed, it will be auto updated. And also I will keep a log of all my 404 redirection errors. Okay, store IP information for redirect and 404 errors if you want this one. Okay, let's get started. I will click continue. It's taking now for the REST API. So everything is okay. So here there is a warning. Actually, redirection uses the WordPress REST API to communicate with WordPress. This is enabled by working by default. Sometimes the REST API is blocked by security plugin, server firewall, caching software, or some other plugins. Okay, so this plugin in this screen test if the REST API is available or not. In my case, REST API is available. Okay, so I will click on finish setup. It will take little bit time. It's done. So I will continue. I will ready to begin. Okay, so here is the dashboard of the 404 redirection plugins. You can see you can manage all the redirects from here. There are some groups of redirection and modified posts, and also there is a log here. Okay, also if you want to relocate site, you can do this here. Let's say the domain is changed, or you can configure some domains like HTTPS, HTTP, or www, or without www. You can configure this here. You can see your 404 monitoring here. You can export and import from CSV or htaccess files. There are some other options. If you support this plugin, you can by default set the logs duration, configure log durations here. Okay, so I think that's all for the configuration. Now let's do some redirection. Okay, first of all, if I go to my post area, if I see all posts, here is a by default WordPress installation post, hello world. I will add a new post. Let's say it's redirection test. So I will add some lorem ipsum here. I will publish my post. So this is my post address. If I now if I view my all posts, there should be two posts. This one is redirection test and this one is hello world. So if someone I will take this plugin as my source URL, this post as my source URL. I will paste it here, and if someone types or goes to this URL, I want to redirect to them in here. So I will give the target URL here, and it will ignore cases and ignore slash. Okay, so I will add redirect. My redirection is added here. So what will happen now? If I go to this post, it will redirect to my redirection test page. See what is the URL of this one? Let's copy this one, let's paste. See, this is hello world. It will redirect us to redirection test page. See, this is done. Okay, so if I go to the logs area, see, there is my logs, source URL, target URL, user agent and IP. Okay, so what else? Okay, so let's say if someone goes to a random 404 error page, a random page which doesn't exist in our site, see, it gives us 404 error. So from here, if I want to monitor, see, there is my 404. User tried to access this URL. Okay, so you can get agent info, geo info, and also you can add a redirect for this page. Okay, and ignore URL. Okay, so I will add redirect to here. Let's say if someone types this one, I will add redirect to here. Okay, so now if I reload this page again, so what happened here? First of all, it redirected to this one, hello world, this page, then redirect to this one. Okay, so if I add new post, another sample dummy post, let's bring some logarithm here. I'll publish this one. I am copying the URL. Now if I change the redirection, I will give this one. Okay, so if someone, so I'll ping this URL, it will, see, it is again. Okay, what happened here? Let's check this one. This one is here. I will redirect here, redirect. I will redirect to, no, I will redirect to not this post. First of all, let's see all the post. I will redirect to this post. Okay, so if someone goes to there, redirect them to here. Okay, okay, so let's add this one. Now I am opening an incognito window. So it's skipping back to the old one. So what we should do, we should delete this entry and let's try this again. Okay, let's say someone is going to let's say A, B, C, D. This page, it's not exist. Now if I reload, I will see an entry here, still nothing. Reload again, you should see an entry here. Sorry, this redirection. I am clearing this one. Let's start from the bottom. Okay, see, there are all the entries here. If I go to the 404s, this one, okay, I will add this redirection. I will redirect them to this page. I'm adding the redirect. Now if I go to that URL, see, it's redirecting to REST test. Okay, so when you are checking for any 404s, I think you should go from here. Okay, otherwise it keeps some of the previous information in query parameters. Okay, here. Okay, so here you can see all the redirects, and also you can monitor all the 404s. Okay, so I think this video will be very helpful to you. I will see you in next one. Bye.